Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So ito yung pinakahihintay kong parcel na in-order ko sa Shopee because the first one that I ordered parang last month pa just got cancelled. Ang tagal ko siyang hinintay, kaso yun, na-cancel. Pero umorder agad ako from another seller nung nalaman ko na na-cancel. And buti na lang, after 2 weeks I think, deliver agad siya. So ito yung laman ng in-order ko. It is an electric nail drill and nabili ko siya for only 232 pesos. Free shipping from Coscelia. And I haven't tried using nail drills before, kaya itatry natin if this drill is beginner friendly or if it works kasi mura na siya for an e-file. Kaya let's check it out. Meron siyang thank you card, which is sweet. Instructions on how to turn it on and how to use it. Dalawa pa siya pero same lang ng content, na double lang siguro. A cable, drill bits and sanding bits, and of course the nail drill. So itry natin siya gamitin using this bit. And para ma-insert mo siya, ipipress mo yung silver button and i-hold mo lang siya while iniikot yung head jack counterclockwise. And then, insert the drill bit and lock the top by rotating it clockwise. So let's plug it up para makita natin kung gumagana ba siya. This cord is so short kaya kailangan mo talaga ng extension sa tabi mo. But yes, gumagana siya kaya I'm so happy. Ito yung on and off button na nagsisilbi ding controller ng speed. I think yung RPM niya or yung rotations per minute is 20,000, which I think is already good for its price. So gagawin natin is i-test siya using Polygel on my left hand. Tinanggal ko na yung previous set kasi I want to try this drill using my dominant hand. We'll start with pushing back the cuticles. And using the opposite para i-scrape off yung dead skin. And gagamitin na natin yung drill to further remove the dry skin, and gagamitin ko tong bit na to na parang oval in shape para yung tip niya won't be that sharp and prevent cutting my skin. First thoughts, akala ko di ko makokontrol yung rotations pag nag-touch na yung bit and the nail kasi mabilis yung pag-ikot niya, pero nagulat ako kasi ang gaan niya sa kamay and wala akong naramdamang sakit. Kahit dumikit na sa skin ko yung nail bit, di siya masakit. After that, gagamitin natin tong mandrel bit na paglalagyan ng sanding bands. And when buffing the natural nails, dapat fine yung grit ng file. So sa mga napapanood ko, di mo dapat didiinan. The sanding band must barely touch the nail. Parang pinapasadahan mo lang siya ng dahan-dahan. Pwede mo naman tong gawin with a hand file or a buffer, but tinetest ko lang siya if it can work as an alternative sa buffer. Gagamit tayo ng tips today. And di mo na ganun kahaba kasi first time ko lang nagamit ng nail drill. Kakailanganin din natin i-file yung surface ng nail tip para maalis yung smooth surface and for the polygel to stick better. Using this hand file, i-shape natin yung nails into a coffin shape, which is my favorite. And then put a layer of base coat to all my nails. So ilalagay mo lang siya sa natural nails, but it's okay kung malagyan mo yung tips. I'm gonna use this Mulberry Clear Polygel and alcohol as my slip solution. So since maikli lang yung nails natin today, we won't need too much polygel. Maliit na glove lang, it's enough for one nail. Pero if ever sumobra ka, pwede mo naman siyang bawasan. Let's cure that for 60 seconds and do that to the rest of my nails. So, pinalitan ko yung brush ko. Kanina kasi gamit ko yung brush na kasama sa Polygel kit na binili ko sa Shopee. Pero mas comfortable pa rin ako dito sa brush na to. Kaya ito na lang yung ginamit ko. After all of my nails are done, don't forget na maglagay ng alcohol to remove the sticky layer para di gaano mag-gum up yung file na gagamitin mo. Bago natin gamitin yung nail drill, hand file muna yung gagamitin natin to shape the nails kasi medyo na out of shape talaga siya minsan kahit naka-shape na yung nail tips mo. Now, gagamitin na natin yung nail drill to smoothen out the surface of the nails. Isa-set ko siya sa medium speed and nag-iba din ako ng drill bit. Kinuha ko yung medium coarse grit sanding band using the man drill bit. Sa una, hindi ko pa alam yung proper way kasi sinasanay ko muna yung sarili ko sa bigat niya pati yung direction ng rotation niya. Pero yun, after ilang tries, I'm getting the hang of it. Nasasanay na ako and alam ko na yung control sa hand ko na may hawak ng drill. I think a rookie mistake is nababurn mo yung fingers kasi nadidiinan mo sa part na yun ng matagal and nagkakos ng hit yung friction. Kaya magandang technique is wag kang stay sa isang side lang. Go sideways or upwards para nagko-cool down yung each side bago mo ulit padaanan ng drill yung side na yun. If you're using a hand file, syempre mas matagal yung filing. Unlike using nail drills, kaya nung ginawa ko tong set na to, it only took me 2 to 3 hours. Dati kasi nung hand file gamit ko, maabot ako ng 4 hours. Kasama na dun yung pahinga kasi nakakapagod sa kamay at sa wrist yung pag-hand file. Kaya it's worth it na mag-invest sa nail drill lalo na yung mga high quality ones. Sana ma-afford ko rin yun. And it will just make your life easier. After filing, I'm gonna buff my nails, pero in this step, I prefer to use a hand buffer instead. And then gagamit ako ng nail polish on all of my nails with this chic gray nail polish. And then top coat. Naglagay ako ng cuticle crystals and lastly, cuticle oil. And that's it. I enjoyed using this nail drill a lot, and I also like how my nails turned out. I hope you like it too as much as I do, so please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below suggestions on what I should do next. Also follow me on Instagram at @happyfingers, and if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.